Introducing the Buraq Pets Premium Extendable Bird Cage, designed to offer your feather friends a spacious and comfortable environment. Assembly is quick and easy. Simply follow the instructions with the provided screws for strong and stable structure. Bird cage comes with an extendable height feature to increase the height, providing birds with a taller experience. Our rolling stands allow you to move the cage with ease. Keep your bird space clean and organized with the mesh shelf, grill tray, and litter tray that locks securely in place, making cleaning quick and easy. The top hood provides easy access to your birds, allowing you to care for them without hassle. Feed your birds with ease using the feeder bowls and let them out through the convenient front exit, which locks securely to ensure their safety. Your birds will love perching on the natural wooden sticks, providing a cozy and secure resting place. Simply locks the wheel in place with the ease. You can lock and unlock. Get yours today, available now. Thank you for choosing Buraq Pets, where comfort and quality comes together.